And then for those times when, okay, my boss called me, I ended up talking on the phone, I missed a session. Now I'm kind of stuck. We have some on-site help that we can offer.
We have some on-site help. We're calling it our Schedule Experts program. We talked about it a little bit in our transportation episode, but we have recruited 75 of our AWS solutions architects to come on site, and they're knowledgeable not only on AWS topics, but also how to best find a seat in an open seat in a session, in the session catalog. And they are available in strategic places in all the venues where there's content happening, and you can flag one down, and it's very casual. It's not like you are gonna have to wait in line. They're kind of wandering around. They'll be very obvious. You flag one down and let them know, like, I can't find a seat. I need a seat. I want to go to a session. And they have the knowledge to talk to you and figure out what you're interested in and which sessions are going to be best for you, and they'll get you hooked up. So that's one of the kind of additional content resources we've done for onsite.
Yeah.
Also for preparing to go on site, we've talked about this in one of our other episodes with our community hero, Mark Nunakoven, is we have our community hero agendas. And those are actually up and live on the website right now.
Those turned out great, by the way.
Super cool. Yeah. I mean, we've got cool topics like women who inspire us. So it's all the technical talks given by women across reInvent. Also reInvent for newbies. So if you've never been, you're new to AWS, here are some things you should focus on. And then we have some of the more solutions and service-oriented ones, serverless, security, all that kind of fun stuff. So those agendas are a huge benefit to anyone trying to figure out what they want to do at reInvent.
Yeah, and then the other sort of place that you can go, you can always go to the help desk.
Yes.
If you need help on reInvent, I know some of you love to go to Twitter first. Go to the help desk first.
They'll help you.
They can help you.
It's in their name.
Yeah. So that is my #1 recommendation, is go to the help desk. If you have an issue or a problem, that is the best place. Oftentimes it's the people, last year, Cole was sitting down there helping people with the mobile app. Cole Platt, who has been on a couple of our episodes of how to reInvent. He's the person who worked on the mobile app. He was sitting down there. So literally some of our best experts are down there to help you with any sort of problem that may arise at reInvent. So check out the help desk.